Hey there, I'm Kelly, your Port Hub AI assistant. Welcome to the ultimate drayage connection. If you're a motor carrier ready to start finding and booking drayage shipments, you're in the right place. Let's walk through how to get signed up so you can start rolling with us. First, head over to porthub.net and click Sign Up. You'll see two options, shipper and motor carrier. Go ahead and select motor carrier, then Next. This will take you to the authority verification page where you'll enter your company's US DOT and MC number. Make sure your info is accurate so your account can be verified smoothly with the FMCSA. Next, it's time to add your company website, phone number, and your name. Don't worry, if you need to update your info, you can always come back and edit your profile and company info. The next section is for your login credentials. Your email and password will be used to log into the hub, so make sure you remember what you enter. Now it's time to tighten up your accessorials. You want to make sure you enter your fuel surcharge percentage, rate per mile, and chassis charge. You'll need them for quoting later. Take your time and enter all of your accessorial amounts so you're ready to quote when a shipment drops for your lane. The Port Hub has 4 membership tiers to choose from. Select the tier that best fits the lanes you run today. Since you're just signing up, feel free to select the guest membership. You can check things out, kick the tires, and when you see a shipment you like, you can always upgrade your membership for quoting access. Select your tier, and boom, you're in. That's it. You're officially part of the Port Hub community, and there's no community without you. If you ever need help, I'm always here at the bottom of your screen. Just click my chat icon and I'll walk you through it. I'm Kelly, your Port Hub AI assistant, here to keep drayage simple, smooth, and stress-free. You're one step closer to staying visible, staying loaded, and staying ready. Don't forget to subscribe for more Port Hub tutorials, and I'll see you inside the ultimate drayage connection.